Hey Peri, you always surprise me. Do you carry a book everywhere you go?
I wear not everywhere, but I do carry one when I come here. Do you read in the park too?
Not really. I mostly walk or jog. So, what are you reading today?
It's travel memoir. I love reading about adventures. Do you read nonfiction?
Yes, I do. But I prefer biographies. They inspire me a lot.
That's great. By the way, do you visit the new art gallery near the city center?
No, I don't. I don't know much about art. Do you visit galleries often?
Yes, I do. I love exploring paintings and sculptures. The new gallery has some amazing pieces. You should check it out.
Sounds interesting. Do they allow photography?
Yes, they do, but I think you will enjoy just observing the details.
Maybe I'll visit next weekend. Do you spend your Sundays at home after this walk?
Not always. Sometimes I go shopping or watch a movie. What do you do?
I visit my grandparents. They live nearby and we have dinner together every Sunday.
That's sweet. Do you take anything for them when you visit?
Yes, I do. My grandma loves sweets, so I usually bring her some. Do you visit your grandparents often?
Not as often as I want to. They stay far away, but I call them every week.
That's nice. So, do you still practice yoga every day?
Yes, I do. It keeps me calm and focused. Do you practice meditation?
Not daily, but I do it when I feel stressed.
It really helps, doesn't it? Do you think about learning new skills this year?
Yes, I do. I plan to learn photography. Do you want to learn something new?
I do. I want to learn baking. I love desserts, so why not make them myself?
That's a great idea. Do you already try recipes at home?
Sometimes, but they don't always turn out perfect. Do you bake?
Not at all, but I enjoy eating homemade cakes and cookies.
That's the easy part. By the way, do you enjoy festivals?
Yes, I do. Diwali is my favorite. The lights and sweets make it so special. What about you?
I love Holi. The colors, music, and energy are amazing.
True. Do you celebrate with your family or friends?
Both we start with family in the morning and meet friends later. Do you celebrate with friends?
Not much. I stay with family most of the time.
That's nice. Do you believe festivals bring people closer?
Yes, I do. They remind us to pause and enjoy with loved ones.
Absolutely. Anyway, do you want to grab some coconut water from the vendor over there?
Yes, I do. Coconut water feels refreshing after a walk.
Let's go then. Do you drink it every time you visit the park?
Not every time, but I enjoy it in the evenings. Do you drink it regularly?
Yes, I do. It's healthy and keeps me hydrated.
That's true. Do you bring snacks with you or do you prefer eating at home?
I prefer eating at home. Do you eat here sometimes?
Not really, but I grab a sandwich if I feel hungry.
Makes sense. Let's get the coconut water now.
Sure.